The sleepy scientist is here, ready to gently guide you into the quiet embrace of the night. Tonight, our journey begins not in the clamor of the waking world, but in the profound stillness that blankets the night sky, inviting us to contemplate the vast, serene canvas where cosmic wonders gently unfold. We'll explore how even the most luminous of celestial objects appear as mere whispers of light against an immense, quiet backdrop, setting the stage for the unhurried dance of galaxy formation. Let your breath deepen, let your thoughts soften, and simply be. Imagine, if you will, the gentle transition from the last hues of twilight to the deep, encompassing darkness of a moonless night. The vibrant colors of the setting sun, once so bold, gradually soften, melting into pastel oranges, then delicate purples, and finally, the deepest, most profound blues. This isn't an abrupt plunge, but a graceful, unhurried surrender, as the earth slowly turns away from the sun's direct gaze. In these precious moments, a palpable sense of calm often descends, a quiet invitation for the hurried rhythms of the day to dissipate, replaced by a pervasive stillness that encourages introspection and prepares the mind for vast contemplations. Consider the subtle shift in the very air itself as day gives way to night. The warmth of the afternoon might gently dissipate, replaced by a cooler, crisp whisper that caresses your skin. Sounds that once seemed clear and distinct now soften, their edges blurring as they travel through the cooling atmosphere. The distant murmur of human activity might recede, becoming a faint, almost musical hum in the background, allowing the more delicate sounds of the natural world to subtly emerge. Perhaps the soft rustle of leaves in a faint breeze, or the quiet chirping of unseen insects beginning their nocturnal serenade. This atmospheric transformation is a silent symphony, orchestrating the transition into night with an exquisite, unhurried grace, all contributing to the pervasive stillness. As the last vestiges of twilight melt into the velvet expanse above, the stars begin their quiet revelation. One by one, then in gentle clusters, they emerge from the deepening gloom, like countless tiny diamonds scattered across an immeasurable dark cloth. This isn't a sudden burst of brilliance, but a gradual, almost shy unveiling, as the celestial bodies patiently make their presence known. Each pinprick of light is a testament to immense distances and vast stretches of time, a luminous whisper from far-off suns, now finally visible to our resting eyes. The sheer number of them, stretching infinitely into the void, instills a profound sense of awe, yet also a comforting awareness of something vast and eternal encompassing our small world, all against a backdrop of cosmic stillness. The darkness that accompanies this stellar emergence is not an empty void, but a rich, enveloping presence. It's a comforting blanket, woven from the absence of direct illumination, that gently wraps around the world, inviting surrender and repose. In this deepening darkness, our other senses often sharpen. The subtle scent of night-blooming flowers might become more pronounced. The cool dew on the grass might feel more palpable, and the distant sounds of nocturnal creatures might become more distinct. The darkness itself becomes a sensory landscape, offering its own unique embrace, encouraging us to find peace in the quiet retreat from the day's visual intensity, all contributing to the profound stillness. Think of the pervasive presence of space itself as a silent canvas. It is the ultimate container, boundless and accommodating, upon which all cosmic phenomena, the birth of stars, the dance of galaxies, the flow of light are gently painted. This space is primarily empty, a vast vacuum that offers no resistance to the tireless journey of light and energy, allowing them to traverse unimaginable distances with unhurried grace. This inherent emptiness is not a desolation, but a profound potentiality, a tranquil stage waiting for the gentle brushstrokes of cosmic evolution to fill it with luminous wonders. The vast distances between stars and galaxies emphasize this pervasive stillness, allowing their individual lights to shine without merging into an overwhelming blaze. Consider the soft, diffused glow of the Milky Way, our home galaxy, stretching across the night sky like a luminous river. It is not a distinct, sharply defined object, but a gentle haze of countless stars, each contributing its tiny whisper of light to the collective shimmer. This ethereal presence, barely discernible in light-polluted skies, fully reveals itself only in profound darkness and stillness, far from human clamor. It is a reminder that even the most immense cosmic structures can appear with a delicate, almost ghostly quality, inviting quiet contemplation rather than overwhelming excitement. The Milky Way's soft luminosity against the dark canvas underscores the vast stillness that separates its components, allowing its beauty to unfold with a pervasive serenity. The stillness of the cosmos is a profound truth. Unlike the terrestrial world, filled with the bustling activities of life, the vast stretches of interstellar and intergalactic space are realms of almost absolute quiet. There is no air to carry sound, no friction to create noise, only the silent passage of light, gravitational waves, and tenuous particles. This inherent cosmic stillness provides a perfect environment for the unhurried processes of galaxy formation and stellar evolution to unfold over billions of years, without interruption or haste. It is the universe's fundamental state of being, a pervasive tranquility that allows for the graceful dance of matter and energy. Even the light from the most distant galaxies, having traveled for billions of years across the expanding universe, arrives at our eyes as mere faint whispers, points of light against the silent canvas. This gentle arrival, after such an immense journey, further emphasizes the profound stillness of the cosmos. It tells a story of time and distance so vast that it transcends our everyday comprehension. Yet it does so with an exquisite subtlety, inviting us to contemplate cosmic scales with a calm, receptive mind, free from the urgency of terrestrial perception. The faintness of these ancient lights reinforces the idea that the universe does not shout its wonders. It whispers them, patiently awaiting our attentive gaze. Ultimately, the silent canvas of the cosmos is an invitation to profound peace. It is the universe's gentle way of drawing us inward, away from external clamor, towards a place of deep rest and quiet contemplation. By surrendering to this soft understanding of cosmic stillness, by appreciating the vast emptiness that cradles all creation, we align ourselves with the ancient, unhurried rhythms of the universe. The cosmos does not rush. It unfolds with exquisite patience, providing a comforting presence that embraces us as we prepare for our own journey into slumber. Let this pervasive sense of calm envelop you, like the softest, warmest blanket, guiding you effortlessly into the peaceful depths of sleep, where your mind can paint its own serene landscapes on this cosmic canvas. As the silent canvas of the cosmos gently embraces us, its profound stillness inviting contemplation of vast space and distant light, let us now journey back to the very dawn of the universe, to listen for its first, soft whispers. Imagine the cosmos not as it is today, filled with stars and galaxies, but as an incredibly uniform, warm, and pervasive glow, an ancient echo of its most tender beginnings. This is the first gentle whispers the cosmic microwave background CMB, revealing the subtle light diffused radiance that permeates all space. A profound lullaby from the universe's infancy. Think of an immense, perfectly still and dark room. Then imagine a single, incredibly soft and pervasive glow, not from a lamp or a window, but emanating from every single surface, from the very air itself, filling the entire room with a uniform, gentle warmth. This pervasive, omnipresent glow hints at the nature of the CMB. It is not a focused beam of light from a particular source. Instead, it is a diffuse, ancient radiance that literally comes from everywhere at once, filling the vastness of space with its subtle, enduring presence. Consider the moment it originated approximately 380,000 years after the Big Bang. In those earliest moments, the universe was incredibly hot and dense, a thick, luminous fog where light particles, photons, were constantly colliding with free electrons and protons. unable to travel freely. Imagine a vast, opaque cloud, so dense that no light could truly escape its embrace. However, as the universe continued its unhurried expansion, it also gently cooled. This cooling process was slow and patient, occurring over hundreds of thousands of years, patiently preparing the conditions for light to be set free. Now, imagine the profound moment of liberation as the universe cooled to a critical temperature around 3000 Kelvin, a gentle warmth compared to the previous inferno. The free electrons were finally able to settle into stable orbits around the protons, forming the very first neutral atoms of hydrogen and helium. This quiet act of atomic formation had a monumental consequence. It made the universe transparent to light. The photons, no longer constantly colliding with free electrons, were suddenly free to travel across the vastness of space, unimpeded. This moment, often called recombination or decoupling, was the universe's first clear breath, its initial gentle whisper of freedom for light. The light that was released at that moment, now billions of years old, is what we perceive today as the CMB. As the universe has continued to expand over the subsequent 13.8 billion years, this ancient light has been stretched to incredibly long wavelengths, primarily in the microwave portion of the electromagnetic spectrum. It is cooled to a mere 2.7 Kelvin, just a few degrees above absolute zero, a pervasive chill that nonetheless carries the faint warmth of creation. This cooling and stretching is not a dimming, but a gentle transformation, allowing this primordial light to permeate all space with its subtle, enduring presence. Think of a very old, perfectly preserved photograph showing the universe in its infancy. The CMB is precisely this, the universe's baby picture, a direct image of its earliest moments, taken when it was only a tiny fraction of its current age. It is remarkably uniform across the entire sky, a testament to the initial stillness and balance of the early universe. This gentle uniformity suggests that the universe began in a state of exquisite harmony, a profound smoothness that defies chaos. It is a comforting thought, realizing that the very foundation of our vast cosmos was laid down with such serene, pervasive order. However, within this vast sameness, there are tiny, almost imperceptible ripples, slight variations in temperature that are like the faint, delicate patterns in a freshly fallen blanket of snow. These minute fluctuations, too subtle to cause alarm, are incredibly significant. They are the initial seeds, the first gentle whispers of difference, from which all the magnificent structures we see today, the galaxies, the stars, the planets would eventually, patiently, begin to coalesce under the subtle influence of gravity. These tiny variations, though quiet, held the promise of all future cosmic beauty, a profound blueprint hidden within the pervasive glow. The discovery and meticulous mapping of the CMB by scientists, particularly through missions like the WMAP and Planck satellites, is akin to listening to the most ancient, pervasive lullaby the universe has ever sung. These missions, with their exquisite sensitivity, have quietly tuned into this primordial hum, revealing its subtle patterns and its profound story. Each gentle data point collected confirms the Big Bang Theory with remarkable precision, a testament to humanity's patient ability to decipher the universe's most ancient secrets, inviting us into a silent conversation with cosmic history. The CMB is a continuous, omnipresent phenomenon. Even as you rest, it flows through your body, through the walls of your room, and through every atom in your being, connecting you directly to the universe's earliest breath. It is a constant, subtle reminder of our shared cosmic ancestry, a tangible link to the genesis of all things. This profound connection brings a deep sense of belonging, a quiet reassurance that we are not isolated, but intimately intertwined with the very fabric of space-time and its ancient, luminous beginnings. So, as you drift deeper into the quiet embrace of slumber, allow the first gentle whispers, the cosmic microwave background, to soothe your mind. Imagine the universe filled with this subtle, ancient radiance, a pervasive warmth and quietude from its very beginning. Feel the profound peace that comes from recognizing this omnipresent, unhurried glow, understanding that it cradles all existence and whispers tales of cosmic genesis. There is a deep, abiding peace in this connection, a sense of being perpetually embraced by the boundless, silent, and exquisitely ordered symphony of the universe's infancy. Let this peaceful awareness lull you deeper into relaxation, knowing that you are held securely within the tranquil, ever-present embrace of the CMB's gentle, harmonious hum, guiding you softly into the deepest, most restorative sleep. As the first gentle whispers of the cosmic microwave background softly fade, revealing the pervasive, ancient glow of the universe's infancy. Let us now contemplate an even more mysterious, yet profoundly crucial, presence that silently orchestrates the grand cosmic architecture. Imagine the universe filled not only with visible stars and galaxies, but permeated by an invisible, ethereal scaffolding, gently pulling matter together with an unhurried, timeless embrace. This is the invisible scaffolding dark matter halos, revealing the subtle yet pervasive influence of mysterious forces that quietly shape the very structures of the cosmos. Setting the stage for the serene dance of galaxy formation, think of a vast, unlit loom in a profoundly quiet room. You cannot see the threads that form the underlying structure, only faint hints of where they are pulling the visible strands. In a remarkably similar, yet infinitely grander way, dark matter forms an invisible, pervasive framework throughout the universe. While we can see the luminous stars and radiant galaxies that populate the cosmos, these visible structures represent only a tiny fraction, perhaps just 5% of the universe's total mass and energy. The vast majority, roughly 27%, is believed to be this mysterious dark matter, an unseen cosmic architect that does not emit, absorb, or reflect light, making it utterly invisible to our eyes and instruments. Consider the perplexing observation that galaxies spin much faster than they should, based purely on the gravitational pull of their visible stars and gas. If only visible matter were present, the outer regions of galaxies would simply fly apart due to their rapid rotation, like a spinning top throwing off its loose threads. But they do not. Instead, they remain serenely intact, their stars gracefully orbiting, held together by an unseen, pervasive embrace. This invisible hug is attributed to dark matter, which forms immense, diffuse halos that envelop galaxies like vast, ethereal cocoons. It's like a colossal, invisible, comforting hand, gently holding the swirling stars within their cosmic homes, preventing their dispersal with a pervasive, silent grip. Now, imagine the process of galaxy formation unfolding over billions of years. After the Big Bang, the universe was incredibly uniform, filled with the pervasive CMB. However, tiny, subtle fluctuations in density, mere whispers in the primordial fabric, began to exert their influence. Dark matter, being much more abundant and interacting only through gravity, was the first to begin clumping together under its own gentle pull. These early, subtle clumps of dark matter formed vast, diffuse structures, like invisible seeds in the cosmic field. These are the embryonic dark matter halos, the invisible scaffolding upon which everything else would eventually be built. As these dark matter halos slowly, unhurriedly grew under the relentless pull of gravity, they began to gently attract ordinary visible matter, the hydrogen and helium gas, towards their denser regions. Imagine soft, wispy clouds of cosmic gas slowly, patiently being drawn towards unseen centers of attraction, gradually accumulating and becoming denser. This process was not a chaotic rush, but a slow, persistent gathering, as gravity's pervasive hand gently guided the gas into the growing dark matter halos. It was a fundamental, quiet step in the universe's journey from a uniform, primordial state to the complex, structured cosmos we observe today. The structure formed by dark matter is immense and intricate. It is believed to create a vast cosmic web, a three-dimensional network of filaments, clusters, and immense empty voids, like a colossal ethereal lace draped across the universe. The filaments and clusters are where dark matter halos are densest, patiently drawing in the visible galaxies that we can observe. The cosmic voids, those vast empty spaces between the filaments, are regions where dark matter is much sparser. This pervasive unseen structure provides the fundamental framework, the invisible scaffolding, that dictates where galaxies will form and how they will move, all orchestrated by a silent, powerful, yet profoundly gentle force. Think of an ancient, vast loom, silently weaving a magnificent tapestry. The vibrant, colored threads represent the visible galaxies and stars, but the true strength and form of the tapestry come from the unseen, underlying warp and weft the invisible scaffolding of dark matter. Without this hidden structure, the luminous patterns would simply unravel. This pervasive invisibility adds a layer of profound mystery and quiet wonder to the universe's fabric, reminding us that much of what orchestrates the cosmos remains beyond our direct perception, operating in a realm of gentle, pervasive influence. Even the early formation of the first stars and galaxies was intimately linked to these dark matter halos. The gas and dust drawn into these halos eventually became dense enough to collapse further under their own gravity, igniting the first luminous beacons in the early universe. These initial stars then formed the earliest galaxies, which were then cradled within their dark matter halos, continuing to grow by gently attracting more gas and merging with smaller galaxies over billions of years. It was a slow, unhurried process, building colossal structures from subtle beginnings, all guided by the invisible scaffolding. The continuous search for dark matter is a testament to humanity's quiet curiosity and persistent desire to understand the hidden layers of reality. Scientists, with profound patience, are gently seeking to detect its subtle interactions. Perhaps through incredibly sensitive instruments deep underground, or through observations of its gravitational effects on light passing through vast galaxy clusters. Each gentle experiment, each careful observation, is a quiet step towards unraveling this cosmic mystery, a hopeful quest to glimpse the unseen threads that weave our universe together and define its fundamental structure. The profound beauty of the invisible scaffolding, the dark matter halos, lies in its silent, pervasive influence. It teaches us that some of the most powerful forces in the universe operate without grand displays or audible pronouncements. They are the background hum, the silent architects, patiently shaping reality with an exquisite grace that transcends our direct perception. This understanding can bring a deep sense of peace, a recognition that the universe is infinitely more intricate and mysterious than we can ever fully comprehend, yet profoundly ordered and harmonious in its unseen depths. It reminds us that even emptiness can be full, filled with a subtle, pervasive presence that cradles all existence and gently guides the stillness of galaxy formation. So, as you drift deeper into the quiet embrace of slumber, allow the notion of the invisible scaffolding, of dark matter halos, to soothe your mind. Imagine an invisible, gentle presence, subtly weaving through all of space, softly holding galaxies together and guiding the universe's grand design. Feel the profound peace that comes from recognizing this pervasive, unhurried influence, understanding that the very fabric of the cosmos is sustained by mysterious, benevolent forces that operate in silent harmony. There is a deep, abiding peace in this connection, a sense of being perpetually cradled by the boundless, silent, and exquisitely ordered symphony of the universe's hidden depths. Let this peaceful awareness lull you deeper into relaxation, knowing that you are held securely within the tranquil, ever-present embrace of dark matter's gentle, harmonious embrace, as the invisible scaffolding of dark matter halos gently orchestrates the early, unhurried assembly of the universe's grand structures. Setting the stage for galaxy formation, let us now contemplate the patient gathering of the fundamental ingredients from which these luminous cosmic cities will eventually ignite. Imagine vast, ethereal wisps of gas and microscopic dust diffused throughout the early cosmos, slowly, imperceptibly drawn inwards by an unseen, pervasive embrace, without any sense of urgency or clamor. This is the slow gathering of cosmic dust gas accretion, revealing the gentle, persistent way matter accumulates, patiently building the very foundations of stars and galaxies with profound quietude. Think of a serene, almost motionless morning, as a soft, translucent mist hangs gently over a quiet valley. As the sun slowly rises and its warmth subtly shifts, the tiny water droplets within the mist begin to coalesce, imperceptibly drawing closer to one another, gradually thickening and eventually forming denser pockets of cloud, all without a sound or a hurried movement. In a remarkably similar yet infinitely grander way, the early universe was filled with a diffuse, pervasive cosmic fog, primarily hydrogen and helium gas. Along with microscopic grains of cosmic dust, the raw, primordial elements forged in the Big Bang's earliest moments. Consider the immense, patient stretches of time over which this slow gathering of cosmic dust occurs. For hundreds of millions of years after the universe's infancy, this gas and dust quietly drifted through space, largely unperturbed until the subtle influence of gravity began its unhurried work. The faint initial overdensities of dark matter, those invisible seeds we discussed, began to gently pull at the surrounding gas and dust, drawing them inwards with an almost imperceptible, persistent tug. This attraction was not a violent suction, but a pervasive, gentle persuasion, coaxing the diffuse matter towards the growing dark matter halos. Now, imagine these vast, tenuous clouds of gas and dust slowly, unhurriedly flowing towards the centers of these nascent dark matter halos. This process, known as gas accretion, is fundamentally a long, patient infall. As the gas gently falls inward, it gains energy and becomes subtly warmer, but its motion remains graceful and controlled. It swirls and churns, but not chaotically. Rather, it forms immense rotating disks or spherical clouds, patiently accumulating more and more mass from the surrounding cosmic reservoir. This accumulation can take millions, even billions of years, a testament to the universe's boundless patience in building its grand structures. The cosmic dust, though a tiny fraction of the mass, plays a crucial, gentle role in this gathering. Imagine these dust grains as microscopic snowflakes, tiny specks of silicates and carbon, patiently forming in the cold, outer layers of ancient stars or the aftermath of distant supernova. As they drift through the molecular clouds, they provide surfaces upon which gas atoms can gently stick, aiding in the initial clumping. More profoundly, this dust acts like a soft, opaque veil, shielding the inner regions of these gathering clouds from the harsh, ultraviolet light of nearby stars. This shielding is vital, allowing the gas to cool to temperatures where it can eventually collapse and form new stars. A gentle protection enabling future creation. Think of a vast, unseen river, slowly, gently converging its myriad tiny streams into a single, deeper current. This hints at the pervasive nature of gas accretion. It is happening simultaneously across countless regions of the early universe, wherever dark matter halos are gently drawing in surrounding matter. Each accreting cloud is a nascent galaxy, patiently growing, continuously pulling in fresh gas and dust from the intergalactic medium, adding to its mass and its potential for stellar birth. This continuous inflow ensures that galaxies are not static entities but living, breathing systems, perpetually sustained by the gentle influx of new matter. Even today, in our mature universe, galaxies continue to grow through gas accretion, though perhaps at a more subdued pace. Our own Milky Way, for instance, is thought to be continuously, gently drawing in streams of gas from the vast cosmic reservoir around it, feeding its ongoing star formation and subtly increasing its mass. This process is too slow for us to perceive directly, but the faint whispers of these accreting gas clouds are detectable by sensitive radio telescopes, revealing a continuous, unhurried exchange between galaxies and their surrounding environment. It's a testament to the persistent nature of gravity's pull, perpetually guiding matter into the cosmic dance. The profound beauty of the slow gathering of cosmic dust lies in its unhurried persistence and its capacity to build immense structures from the most diffuse beginnings. It teaches us that creation in the universe is often a patient process of accumulation, where countless tiny particles, drawn by a gentle while pervasive force, coalesce over unimaginable stretches of time. There is no rush, no immediate gratification, only the steady, deliberate work of gravity patiently assembling the building blocks of stars and galaxies. This understanding can bring a deep sense of peace, a recognition that the most magnificent wonders of the cosmos arise from the simplest, most gentle interactions. The very gas and dust that gently gathered to form the galaxy you reside in, and the stars that compose it, eventually became the ingredients for everything around you, including the atoms within your own body. This profound connection to the primordial cosmic dust reinforces your intimate link to the universe's long, unhurried story of creation. You are a product of this patient gathering, a testament to the subtle, the pervasive force of gravity and the ceaseless accumulation of matter over billions of years, transformed into life itself. So, as you drift deeper into the quiet embrace of slumber, allow the notion of the slow gathering of cosmic dust, of gas accretion, to soothe your mind. Imagine vast ethereal clouds of gas and tiny specks of dust patiently drifting through space, gently drawn inwards, slowly coalescing into the foundations of future stars and galaxies. Feel the profound peace that comes from recognizing this pervasive, unhurried process. Understanding that the universe is boundless in its creation, constantly building new wonders with exquisite patience. There is a deep, abiding peace in this connection, a sense of being perpetually cradled by the boundless, silent, and exquisitely ordered symphony of galaxy formation. Let this peaceful awareness lull you deeper into relaxation, knowing that you are held securely within the tranquil, ever-present embrace of cosmic dust's gentle, harmonious gathering. As the slow gathering of cosmic dust gently guides the unhurried assembly of galaxies, patiently accumulating the fundamental ingredients within their ethereal embrace, let us now contemplate the very first tender moments when the universe truly began to glow. Imagine these vast, coalescing clouds of gas and dust, once dark and silent, suddenly igniting with countless tiny points of light, each a nascent sun. This is the first spark of stars' early star formation, revealing the profound, quiet creation of luminosity in the deep, cosmic night, not as dramatic explosions, but as gentle, pervasive blooms of radiance. Think of a vast, tranquil field, blanketed in the deepest darkness, broken only by the softest whispers of the wind. Then, one by one, tiny, ethereal fireflies begin to glow, their gentle flickers spreading gradually, illuminating the field with a pervasive, soft luminescence. In a remarkably similar, yet infinitely grander way, the first stars ignited within the densest pockets of those slowly gathering clouds of gas and dust. For hundreds of millions of years after the Big Bang, the universe was a vast, dark expanse, filled only with the faint, uniform glow of the cosmic microwave background. It was a period of profound quietude, a cosmic night waiting for its first luminous dawn. Consider the immense patient processes that lead to this first spark. Within those slowly collapsing clouds of gas and dust, under the pervasive, gentle pull of gravity, the matter becomes increasingly dense and hot. Imagine the gas particles, once widely dispersed, now subtly drawing closer, their collisions becoming more frequent, though still gentle. As the protostar, the embryonic heart of a future sun, continues to contract, the pressure and temperature at its very core slowly, unhurriedly build. This internal warmth is not a sudden inferno, but a gradual, persistent increase, patiently preparing the conditions for the most profound transformation. Now, imagine the moment of ignition. When the core of this nascent star reaches a critical temperature and density millions of degrees Celsius, a profound yet gentle process begins: nuclear fusion. Here, hydrogen atoms are subtly pressed together with such immense force that they gently fuse, combining to form helium atoms. This act of fusion releases a colossal amount of energy in the form of light and heat, pushing outwards with a steady, counteracting force that perfectly balances the inward pull of gravity. The star has officially been born, not with a bang, but with a silent, pervasive bloom of light, settling into a long, stable period of luminous existence. This is the first spark of stars, illuminating the ancient darkness with its quiet, persistent radiance. These early stars were different from many of the stars we see today. They were often much more massive and far more luminous, burning through their fuel at an immense yet unhurried rate. They were the universe's first true beacons, piercing the cosmic gloom and beginning the process of ionization, gently transforming the neutral gas of the early universe back into an ionized state by their pervasive ultraviolet light. This subtle yet profound act of illumination allowed light to travel even more freely through space, paving the way for the formation of the galaxies we observe today. Think of a master gardener, patiently cultivating a barren field, waiting for the first tender shoots to emerge and bloom. These early stars were the universe's first blossoms, quietly radiating their light and energy, enriching the surrounding space with heavier elements forged in their cores. When these massive early stars eventually met their end, often in colossal, silent supernovae, they released these newly forged elements: the carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, and iron that make up planets and life back into the cosmos. This gentle scattering of cosmic seeds allowed for the formation of subsequent generations of stars, and eventually, rocky planets like our Earth. The formation of these early stars and their subsequent evolution was a crucial step in the stillness of galaxy formation. Their light and energy profoundly influenced the surrounding gas and dust, providing the gentle pushes and pulls that would eventually lead to the clustering and spinning of matter into the distinct shapes of galaxies. They were the initial architects of cosmic structure, patiently laying the luminous foundations upon which vast cosmic cities would slowly be built over billions of years. Their quiet emergence prepared the universe for the grand ballet of galaxies. Even the colors of these early stars, though often obscured by distance and dust, would have painted the early universe with a different palette. Many were likely very blue-white due to their immense mass and high temperatures, radiating an intense yet pure light. As they ignited it, they transformed the pervasive darkness into a subtle, shimmering expanse, gradually brightening the cosmic canvas with countless points of new illumination. This quiet transformation from dark to light was a profound, unhurried journey, a testament to the universe's inherent capacity for self-illumination. The profound beauty of the first spark of stars lies in its unhurried creation of luminosity. It teaches us that even the most powerful sources of light in the universe begin with a gentle, patient ignition, a subtle act of fusion unfolding in the quiet core of a protostar. There is no rush, no immediate gratification, only the steady, deliberate work of gravity, patiently compressing matter until the conditions are just right for the light to be born. This understanding can bring a deep sense of peace, a recognition that the most magnificent wonders of the cosmos arise from the simplest, most gentle interactions, patiently building brilliance from the void. So, as you drift deeper into the quiet embrace of slumber, allow the notion of the first spark of stars, of early star formation, to soothe your mind. Imagine vast, ethereal clouds of gas and dust softly coalescing, gently igniting with countless tiny, luminous points, patiently filling the cosmic night with their quiet brilliance. Feel the profound peace that comes from recognizing this pervasive, unhurried creation, understanding that the very fabric of the universe is constantly being renewed through these gentle, timeless processes of stellar birth. There is a deep, abiding peace in this connection, a sense of being perpetually cradled by the boundless, silent, and exquisitely ordered symphony of galaxy formation. Let this peaceful awareness lull you deeper into relaxation, knowing that you are held securely within the tranquil, ever-present embrace of cosmic light's gentle, harmonious ignition. As the first spark of stars gently illuminates our understanding of early star formation, revealing the profound, unhurried creation of luminosity in the deep cosmic night. Let us now contemplate the vast, serene lifespan of these luminous giants. Imagine a single star, from its tender birth to its ultimate, quiet transformation, undergoing a majestic, unhurried evolution, like a cosmic being slowly drifting through an immense, eternal dream. This is the long sleep of giant stellar evolution, where the light of distant suns gently changes or softly fades, forever enriching the universe with new elements and profound quietude. Think of a tiny, unseen seed, planted in the fertile darkness of the earth. It slowly absorbs nutrients, quietly grows, and eventually blossoms into a magnificent, vibrant flower, radiating its own gentle beauty. After a time, its petals softly wither, and its energy returns to the earth, nourishing new growth. In a remarkably similar, yet infinitely grander way, stars are born, live their luminous lives, and then undergo profound, unhurried transformations, eventually returning their essence to the cosmos in new, enriching forms. This entire journey, from birth to quiet reabsorption, spans millions, even billions of years, a testament to the universe's boundless patience. The majority of a star's long life is spent in a state of tranquil stability, a period known as the main sequence. During this immense stretch of time, the star, like our own sun, quietly and consistently fuses hydrogen into helium in its core, releasing a steady, gentle stream of light and heat. This process is a delicate balance the outward pressure from the hot. Fusing core perfectly counteracts the inward pull of gravity, maintaining the star's harmonious shape and its unwavering luminosity. It's a period of profound serenity, a long, quiet hum of energy production, radiating warmth and light into the vastness of space, nourishing nearby planets with its gentle glow. Now, imagine a star slowly, imperceptibly reaching the gentle twilight of its main sequence life. As the hydrogen fuel in its core begins to gently dwindle, the core itself subtly contracts, becoming hotter. The outer layers of the star then begin to expand and cool, transforming the star into a red giant or a red supergiant. Think of an ancient, wise being, its outward form expanding, its inner fire burning more intensely as it enters a new phase of existence. The light it emits shifts to a deeper, more profound red, a warm, ancient glow that tells of its long journey through time. This expansion is not violent, but a slow, graceful transformation, often encompassing the orbits of nearby planets. The subsequent stages of a star's evolution are determined by its original mass, orchestrating different paths to their long sleep. For stars like our Sun, once the red giant phase is complete, the outer layers gently drift away into space, forming a beautiful, ethereal shell of gas and dust known as a planetary nebula. Imagine a delicate, luminous bubble, slowly expanding outwards, painted with the soft, iridescent colors of ionized gas, a serene farewell from the star's outer embrace. At the center of this expanding beauty lies the remaining core of the star, now a white dwarf incredibly dense, slowly cooling and softly fading over billions and billions of years, eventually becoming a cold, dark black dwarf, a quiet ember in the cosmic night. For more massive stars, however, their long sleep is a more intense, though still profoundly unhurried. A fair, After their red supergiant phase, their cores continue to contract under immense gravity, igniting a series of heavier element fusions. This process culminates in a gentle, yet powerful final transformation, a supernova. This is not a sudden, loud explosion in the sense of sound, but a colossal, silent outburst of light and energy, briefly outshining entire galaxies. It's the star's ultimate act of giving, releasing the elements forged in its fiery heart, the carbon, oxygen, iron, and all the heavier elements that make up planets and life back into the cosmos, to gently enrich new stellar nurseries and form new stars and worlds. After this magnificent supernova, what remains of the star depends again on its initial mass. For some, the core collapses into an incredibly dense neutron star, a quiet, rapidly spinning cosmic object, packing the mass of a sun into a sphere no larger than a small city. For the most massive stars, the relentless pull of gravity continues its unyielding work, collapsing the core even further beyond any known state of matter, forming a black hole, that profound well in spacetime where time itself seems to find its deepest repose. As we gently explored in a previous journey, the long sleep of giants, this stellar evolution is a continuous, unhurried process that perpetually enriches the universe. Every atom in your body, the carbon in your bones, the oxygen in your breath, the iron in your blood was forged in the heart of a long-dead star, released in its final glorious act, and patiently recycled over billions of years within the cosmic dance. This realization connects us intimately to the distant stars, reminding us that we are all, quite literally, made of stardust, continuously recycled, perpetually part of the universe's grand, unhurried narrative. The beauty of stellar evolution lies in its profound patience and its ceaseless transformation. It teaches us that nothing in the universe is truly static. Everything is in a state of gentle change, evolving, decaying, and being reborn over immense stretches of time. This understanding can bring a deep sense of peace, a recognition that even the most powerful and luminous entities in the cosmos follow a natural, harmonious cycle, ensuring the continuous renewal and profound quietude of the universe. So, as you drift deeper into the quiet embrace of slumber, allow the notion of the long sleep of giants, of stellar evolution, to soothe your mind. Imagine distant suns patiently living their luminous lives, gracefully transforming and gently returning their essence to the cosmos, enriching the universe with new elements. Feel the profound peace that comes from recognizing this pervasive, unhurried cycle of creation and dissolution, understanding that your very being is connected to this ancient, beautiful dance of stars. There is a deep, abiding peace in this connection, a sense of being perpetually cradled by the boundless, silent, and exquisitely ordered symphony of the galaxy formation. Let this peaceful awareness lull you deeper into relaxation, knowing that you are held securely within the tranquil, ever-present embrace of the universe's patient, luminous transformation. As the long sleep of giants gently unfurls, revealing the patient stellar evolution that perpetually enriches the universe with new elements. Let us now contemplate a grander, more fluid aspect of galaxy formation, the majestic, unhurried mergers of these colossal cosmic islands. Imagine two vast galaxies, drawn together by an invisible, gentle force, slowly intertwining their luminous arms, passing through each other with serene grace, eventually becoming one. This is whispers of mergers galaxies embracing, revealing the profound, unhurried dance of cosmic reshaping and the quiet harmony of celestial transformation. Think of two immense, ethereal clouds of mist gently drifting across a vast, moonlit landscape. As they slowly approach each other, they don't violently collide. Instead, their delicate tendrils begin to intermingle, softly swirling and weaving, gradually becoming indistinguishable as they merge into a single, larger, more complex cloud. In a remarkably similar yet infinitely grander way, Galaxy mergers are colossal events that unfold over billions of years, driven by the pervasive, subtle pull of gravity. They are among the most significant processes in the universe's evolution, yet they occur with an almost unimaginable patience. A true testament to the stillness of galaxy formation? Consider our own Milky Way galaxy, a familiar spiral, currently on a slow, inexorable collision course with its nearest large neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. This future event, projected to occur in about 4.5 billion years, is not a cause for alarm, but a fascinating cosmic appointment. When they eventually meet, it will not be a catastrophic crash, but a gentle, prolonged interweaving. The two spiral arms will begin to mingle. Stars from each galaxy will find new orbital paths, and eventually, over billions of years, they will likely coalesce into a single, larger, more elliptical galaxy, which scientists have affectionately dubbed Milkometa. This is a profound, unhurried transformation, a cosmic reshaping that unfolds with a patience that dwarfs all human comprehension. Now, imagine the vast, empty spaces between the stars within each galaxy. Even in the densest regions of a galaxy, the distances between individual stars are so immense that direct stellar collisions during a galaxy merger are incredibly rare. Instead, as the two galaxies gently pass through each other, their constituent stars are primarily affected by the changing gravitational fields of the combined masses. They are gently nudged, subtly tugged, and slowly steered onto new, elongated orbits, creating the shimmering tails and distorted arms often observed during these cosmic encounters. It's like two vast flocks of birds, flying through each other without a single bird making direct contact. Their individual paths subtly altered by the collective movement. The gas and dust within the merging galaxies, however, are far more susceptible to these gravitational interactions. As the galaxies gently embrace, their immense clouds of gas and dust collide more directly, creating subtle shock waves and compressing the material. This compression does not lead to destruction. Instead, it gently triggers intense bursts of star formation. Imagine vast, dark clouds suddenly igniting with countless new stars, adding fresh luminescence to the merging systems. These quiet, dramatic bursts of stellar birth are often the most visible signatures of ongoing galaxy mergers, painting the cosmic canvas with vibrant new patches of light. Think of the universe's early history, when galaxy mergers were far more frequent, like a period of rapid yet unhurried cosmic construction. The galaxies were generally smaller and closer together, leading to more frequent gravitational encounters. These early mergers played a crucial role in building the immense, mature galaxies we observe today, patiently accumulating mass and reshaping their structures. It was a continuous, gentle process of growth and transformation, ensuring that the universe steadily evolved from simpler forms into the complex, hierarchical structures that define its grand design. The different outcomes of galaxy mergers also tell a quiet story of cosmic flexibility. When two spiral galaxies of similar mass gently coalesce, they often lose their delicate spiral arms and eventually form a new, larger, more smoothly rounded elliptical galaxy. This transformation is a testament to the pervasive influence of gravity and the long, patient reordering of stars and gas. It's like two intricate, spiraling vines slowly growing together, eventually intertwining so completely that they form a single, robust, and harmonious new plant, a testament to enduring cosmic patience. Even the supermassive black holes that reside at the centers of most galaxies play a role in these mergers. As two galaxies gently draw near, their central black holes also begin a slow, spiraling dance towards each other. This dance, which can take millions or even billions of years, will eventually lead to the merger of the two black holes, a colossal event that generates powerful gravitational waves. Those subtle ripples in space-time we explored in a previous journey? This final, profound embrace of black holes is the ultimate culmination of a galaxy merger, a silent, powerful testament to the universe's capacity for transformation at its very core. The profound beauty of whispers of mergers, of galaxies embracing lies in their unhurried grace and their capacity for profound cosmic reshaping. They teach us that even the most immense structures in the universe are not static, but are continuously evolving, merging, and transforming over immense stretches of time. This understanding can bring a deep sense of peace, a recognition that change is an inherent part of the universe's fundamental rhythm, unfolding with exquisite patience and creating new forms of celestial beauty. It's a comforting thought, knowing that cosmic events of such grandeur occur with a pervasive serenity. So, as you drift deeper into the quiet embrace of slumber, allow the notion of whispers of mergers, of galaxies embracing, to soothe your mind. Imagine two vast galaxies slowly, gracefully drawing together, intertwining their luminous arms, their stars finding new paths in a gentle cosmic dance. Feel the profound peace that comes from recognizing this pervasive, unhurried transformation, understanding that the universe is boundless in its expressions, constantly reshaping itself with exquisite patience. There is a deep, abiding peace in this connection, a sense of being perpetually cradled by the boundless, silent, and exquisitely ordered symphony of galaxy formation. Let this peaceful awareness lull you deeper into relaxation, knowing that you are held securely within the tranquil, ever-present embrace of the universe's patient, harmonious celestial mergers, as whispers of mergers gently reveal the profound, unhurried dance of galaxies embracing and reshaping. Let us now broaden our contemplation to the grandest canvas of all the large-scale structure of the entire universe. Imagine the cosmos not as a uniformly scattered collection of galaxies, but as an immense, intricate lace or a vast cosmic sponge, where luminous threads of matter are intertwined with colossal silent chasms. This is the cosmic web's unseen threads large-scale structure, revealing the pervasive, silent architecture that organizes galaxies and clusters, and the profound quietude of their immense, timeless arrangement. Think of a delicate, ethereal spiderweb stretching across a vast, moonlit garden. You see the shimmering threads, barely visible, connecting dew-kissed pearls, the tiny water droplets. In a remarkably similar yet infinitely grander way, the universe is structured into a vast cosmic web, a network of luminous filaments and clusters of galaxies that are separated by immense, almost empty regions known as cosmic voids. This intricate, sponge-like pattern is the largest known structure in the universe, extending for billions of light years, and it is largely woven by forces we cannot directly see. Consider the origin of this cosmic web. After the Big Bang, the universe was incredibly uniform, filled with the pervasive glow of the cosmic microwave background CMB, which we explored earlier. However, within this uniformity, there were tiny, imperceptible variations in density, mere whispers in the primordial fabric. Over billions of years, gravity, with its unhurried, persistent pull, slowly drew matter, both visible matter gas, dust, stars, and galaxies, and the pervasive dark matter towards these slightly denser regions. This slow, patient accumulation caused these regions to grow into the luminous filaments and clusters we observe today. It was a gradual, unhurried sculpting by gravity, patiently separating the light from the emptiness, drawing threads from the cosmic loom. Now, imagine the dark matter's unseen embrace, which we previously contemplated. This mysterious, invisible substance forms the underlying scaffolding of the cosmic web. The dark matter halos, those vast, diffuse cocoons of invisible mass, initially clumped together under gravity's influence, forming a network of filaments and knots. These dark matter structures then acted as the cosmic web's unseen threads, gently pulling in the ordinary, visible gas and dust, which then collapsed to form stars and galaxies. The visible galaxies we observe are merely the luminous pearls strung along these invisible threads, patiently orbiting within the dark matter's pervasive, silent embrace. The cosmic web is characterized by its profound contrasts. The filaments and knots are regions of high galactic density, where galaxies are clustered together in immense cosmic cities. Here, galaxy mergers are more frequent, and stars are born and die in a more active rhythm. Conversely, the vast cosmic voids are regions of astonishing emptiness, spanning hundreds of millions of light years, where matter is incredibly sparse and galaxies are exceedingly rare. These voids are not mere empty spaces, but active participants in the universe's structure, defining the boundaries of the filaments and allowing for the grand open design of the cosmic web. Think of a colossal, intricate lacework, stretching infinitely in every direction. The delicate, luminous strands are the galaxies and their clusters, while the vast, dark spaces between the threads are the cosmic voids. The dark energy's gentle push, which we also explored, also plays a crucial role in maintaining and expanding this structure. While gravity works to pull matter together within the filaments and clusters, dark energy exerts its subtle, outward pressure on the largest scales, gently pushing the filaments and voids further apart, causing the cosmic web to continuously expand and stretch over geological time. It's a harmonious interplay between the pulling force of gravity and the pushing force of dark energy, perpetually shaping the universe's grand design. Even within the vastness of these structures, there is a profound sense of quietude. The galaxies within the filaments move with immense, unhurried speeds, driven by the gravity of the surrounding matter and dark matter. The light from these galaxies travels for millions and billions of years, carrying its ancient story across the silent intergalactic medium. The processes of star formation, stellar evolution, and galaxy mergers unfold over eons, measured in stretches of time that dwarf human comprehension. The cosmic web is a symphony of silent motion, a testament to the universe's inherent patience and its exquisite, unhurried rhythms. The study of the cosmic web involves patiently mapping the positions of countless galaxies across vast distances, carefully charting their distances and movements. This meticulous work is like gently tracing the threads of that immense, ethereal spiderweb, revealing the underlying patterns that govern the universe's structure. Each new observation is a quiet step towards understanding the cosmic architecture, a deeper appreciation for the universe's hidden beauty and its profound organization. It is a continuous, unhurried act of deciphering the universe's most ancient, pervasive blueprint. The profound beauty of the cosmic web's unseen threads lies in its immense scale, its intricate organization, and its silent, pervasive influence. It teaches us that the universe is not chaotic or random, but built upon fundamental principles that orchestrate its largest structures with an exquisite grace. It reminds us that even emptiness plays a crucial role, defining the boundaries and allowing for the creation of beautiful, luminous patterns. This understanding can bring a deep sense of peace, a recognition that the universe is infinitely more intricate and mysterious than we can ever fully comprehend, yet profoundly ordered and harmonious in its vast, unseen depths. It fosters a quiet awe for the pervasive structure that exists far beyond the visible. So, as you drift deeper into the quiet embrace of slumber, allow the notion of the cosmic web's unseen threads, of large-scale structure, to soothe your mind. Imagine an invisible, gentle scaffolding, silently weaving through all of space, holding galaxies in their tranquil dance, and patiently guiding the universe's grand design. Feel the profound peace that comes from recognizing this pervasive, unhurried influence, understanding that the very fabric of the cosmos is sustained by mysterious, benevolent forces that operate in silent harmony. There is a deep, abiding peace in this connection, a sense of being perpetually cradled by the boundless, silent, and exquisitely ordered symphony of galaxy formation. Let this peaceful awareness lull you deeper into relaxation, knowing that you are held securely within the tranquil, ever-present embrace of the universe's patient, harmonious, and profound cosmic web. As the cosmic web's unseen threads gently reveal the vast, silent architecture that organizes galaxies and clusters, guiding the universe's grand structure. Let us now journey to the profound heart of these colossal cosmic islands. Imagine a silent, immensely powerful presence at the very core of nearly every galaxy, a place of ultimate gravity and serene quietude, yet one that subtly orchestrates the dance of stars and gas around it. This is the stillness within the swirl black holes and galactic cores, revealing the profound, unmoving peace that can reside at the energetic heart of a galaxy, a quiet balance between immense power and serene order. Think of a vast, tranquil whirlpool, its surface gently swirling, drawing water inwards with an irresistible, unhurried pull towards an unseen center. At the very heart of this whirlpool, where the water is most concentrated, there is a profound stillness, a point of almost no discernible motion, despite the active currents around it. In a remarkably similar yet infinitely grander way, most large galaxies, including our own Milky Way, harbor a supermassive black hole at their very center. This black hole is not a chaotic maelstrom, but a point of immense gravity, a profound well in spacetime, around which the entire galaxy gracefully orbits. Consider the gentle, persistent pull of gravity exerted by these supermassive black holes. They are so incredibly dense that nothing, not even light, can escape their gravitational embrace once it crosses their event horizon. That gentle, unseen boundary. Yet, despite their immense mass millions to billions of times that of our Sun, they occupy a surprisingly tiny volume of space relative to the vastness of the galaxy itself. The stars in a galaxy do not orbit the black hole like planets orbit a star. Instead, they orbit the collective mass of the entire galaxy, including the pervasive dark matter halo. The supermassive black hole is merely a very dense, quiet anchor at the center, its influence primarily concentrated in the innermost regions of the galaxy. Now, imagine the subtle ways in which this central black hole influences the surrounding galactic core. While it doesn't devour stars indiscriminately, its gravity does gently draw in nearby gas and dust. As this matter slowly spirals inwards, it forms a vast, rotating disk called an accretion disk, heating up and emitting intense light and radiation. This accretion disk itself is a beautiful, luminous swirl, painting the galactic core with dazzling light. Yet the black hole at its heart remains fundamentally silent and dark. This gentle inflow of gas and dust fuels the black hole's slow growth, allowing it to subtly increase its mass over billions of years, a continuous, unhurried process. The stillness within the swirl also refers to the profound influence these supermassive black holes have on star formation in the galactic core. While seemingly counterintuitive, their immense gravity and the powerful jets of energy they can sometimes emit, formed from the accretion disk, can actually regulate the rate at which new stars are born. These jets can gently push away gas and dust, preventing it from collapsing too quickly, and thus controlling the pace of star formation. It's like a cosmic gardener, subtly pruning the gas clouds to ensure a balanced, unhurried growth of new stars, preventing chaotic overproduction and ensuring the galaxy's long-term stability. Think of a beautifully intricate clock, its countless gears and cogs constantly in motion. Yet, at its very center, the mainspring or the pendulum provides a steady, rhythmic, almost unmoving anchor that orchestrates all the other activity. In a similar way, the supermassive black hole acts as a quiet, powerful anchor in the galactic core, its immense gravity providing the stable point around which billions of stars and vast clouds of gas gently spin and dance. This central stillness allows the vast, luminous swirl of the galaxy to maintain its harmony and its enduring form over cosmic time. Even the most active galactic cores, known as active galactic nuclei AGN, where supermassive black holes are voraciously accreting matter and emitting powerful radiation, still possess an underlying stillness. The intense light and energy emanating from these regions are a byproduct of the accretion disk's activity, not the black hole itself. The black hole remains an infinite void, a region of ultimate gravity where time itself appears to freeze. This profound contrast between the luminous, active processes around the black hole and its inherent Silent stillness is a testament to the universe's profound elegance and its capacity for balance. The supermassive black holes are not randomly placed. Their presence is intrinsically linked to the stillness of galaxy formation. They are believed to have grown in tandem with their host galaxies, their evolution subtly intertwined over billions of years. As galaxies slowly accumulated matter and merged with others, their central black holes also grew, their gravitational pull continuously influencing the surrounding galactic core. This coevolution is a testament to the profound interconnectedness of all cosmic structures, from the smallest stars to the most immense galaxies, all orchestrated by subtle, patient forces. The profound beauty of the stillness within the swirl lies in its exquisite balance between immense power and serene order. It teaches us that even at the most energetic hearts of galaxies, there is a deep, pervasive quietude, a point of ultimate gravity that provides a stable anchor for the luminous chaos around it. It reminds us that the universe is infinitely more intricate and mysterious than we can ever fully comprehend, yet profoundly ordered and harmonious in its vast, unseen depths. This understanding can bring a deep sense of peace, a recognition that even in the most extreme cosmic environments, a profound stillness can reside, orchestrating the graceful dance of creation. So, as you drift deeper into the quiet embrace of slumber, allow the notion of the stillness within the swirl, of black holes and galactic cores to soothe your mind. Imagine a profound, unmoving presence at the heart of your own galaxy, silently orchestrating the dance of billions of stars. Feel the profound peace that comes from recognizing this pervasive, unhurried influence, understanding that the universe is boundless in its expressions, constantly balancing immense power with serene order. There is a deep, abiding peace in this connection, a sense of being perpetually cradled by the boundless, silent, and exquisitely ordered symphony of galaxy formation. Let this peaceful awareness lull you deeper into relaxation, knowing that you are held securely within the tranquil, ever-present embrace of the galaxy's gentle, harmonious core. As the stillness within the swirl gently reveals the profound peace residing at the energetic heart of galaxies, guiding their immense dance, we now arrive at the final, most intimate turn of our spiraling journey. We return, not to where we began, but to a deeper understanding of our own delicate place within the vast, living embrace of our home galaxy, the Milky Way. For all the immense cosmic concepts of unseen forces and unhurried formations we have contemplated, the most profound revelations often reside right here, in the quiet sanctuary of our own being, where we can truly find rest, drifting with the galaxy's gentle hum, connected to its eternal creation. Throughout our exploration, we have journeyed through the profound stillness of galaxy formation. We began with the silent canvas of the cosmos, recognizing the vast, quiet backdrop where cosmic wonders gently unfold. We then listened to the first gentle whispers of the cosmic microwave background, the pervasive, ancient glow from the universe's infancy. We contemplated the invisible scaffolding of dark matter halos, recognizing its subtle yet pervasive gravitational influence in shaping cosmic structures. We then observed the slow gathering of cosmic dust, understanding the gentle, persistent way matter accumulates to build stars and galaxies. We witnessed the first spark of stars, revealing the profound, quiet creation of luminosity in the deep cosmic night. We journeyed through the long sleep of giants, understanding the patient stellar evolution that enriches the universe with new elements. We explored the whispers of mergers, embracing the profound, unhurried dance of galaxies embracing and reshaping. We broadened our contemplation to the cosmic web's unseen threads, revealing the silent, large-scale architecture that organizes the universe. Finally, we peered into the stillness within the swirl, recognizing the profound, unmoving peace of black holes and galactic cores at the heart of cosmic cities. Now, as you lie nestled in your quiet space, feel how these vast cosmic truths about galaxy formation gently converge within your own being, The very ground beneath you is part of a planet that resides within the gentle embrace of the Milky Way. The light from the stars that softly touches your window is part of that grand cosmic hum, continuously flowing from countless suns within our galaxy. Your own body and every object around you is composed of atoms whose elements were forged in the hearts of stars that lived, died, and gently scattered their gifts within this very galaxy. You are, in essence, a living, breathing echo of your galaxy's ancient journey, a tiny, yet infinitely precious part of its ongoing creation. Consider your own small place within the Milky Way. You are nestled within one of its spiral arms, far enough from the luminous, active galactic core to experience a profound sense of quietude, yet close enough to feel the gentle, pervasive, gravitational pull that holds us in our serene orbit around the central black hole. Our Sun, with its accompanying planets, gently circles the galactic center once every 250 million years. A vast, unhurried dance orchestrated by the collective gravity of billions of stars in the unseen dark matter halo. This continuous, majestic motion ensures our gentle passage through time and space, a slow, rhythmic journey within our galactic home. As you drift towards sleep, imagine yourself gently floating within this vast, living galaxy. See the immense luminous disk, swirling with billions of stars, gas clouds, and dust lanes, all turning with an unhurried grace. Hear the galaxy's gentle hum, the silent symphony of countless suns radiating their light, the faint whispers of stellar nurseries where new stars are patiently igniting, and the distant echoes of galaxy mergers from long ago. This profound sense of being cradled by a living, breathing galaxy brings a deep sense of security and belonging. You are not adrift in an indifferent void, but held securely within a vast, cosmic embrace, forever part of its enduring creation. This journey through galaxy formation reminds us that even the most immense and complex structures in the universe are built from subtle beginnings, through patient accumulation, and are governed by unhurried, gentle forces. The Milky Way, in its boundless majesty, continues to evolve, still drawing in gas, still forming new stars, still undergoing gentle transformations. It is a testament to the universe's continuous creativity, its capacity for endless renewal, and its profound, unhurried rhythm. This understanding fosters a sense of inner spaciousness, a quiet freedom from any feeling of being small or insignificant, as you are intrinsically linked to such boundless cosmic grandeur. The act of resting, of surrendering to sleep, aligns you with the galaxy's own gentle hum. Just as galaxies slowly spin and gracefully merge over billions of years, so too does your mind gradually release its hold on the waking world, allowing consciousness to soften and drift into the restorative depths of slumber. There is no force, no urgency, only a gentle invitation to release, to trust, and to be held in the profound quietude that precedes renewal. This is the galaxy's ultimate lullaby, sung by its silent stars, its unseen forces, and its continuous, gentle creation. So, as you drift deeper into the quiet embrace of slumber, allow the notion of drifting with the galaxy's gentle hum to soothe your mind. Imagine yourself as a peaceful part of the vast, living Milky Way, gently carried by its slow, majestic spin, surrounded by the light of countless stars. Feel the profound peace that comes from recognizing this pervasive, unhurried harmony, understanding that your very being is connected to the boundless, silent, and exquisitely ordered symphony of galaxy formation. There is a deep, abiding peace in this connection, a sense of being perpetually cradled by the boundless, silent, and exquisitely ordered symphony of the universe. Let this peaceful awareness lull you deeper into relaxation, knowing that you are held securely within the tranquil, ever-present embrace of your own galaxy's gentle, harmonious hum, guiding you softly into the deepest, most restorative sleep.